Hi, this is Professor Karen Lin. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to access the UARK U of Arkansas virtual desktop for your lab assignments, which is required by the textbook. So first of all, you will find I send you an email that includes all the username and password for everybody. You can identify yourself with your last name and your student ID, the last 4 digits of your student ID. Once you get that, you're going to look for under Lab 3, there is a UARK virtual desktop instruction. So if you click that, it tells you to go to, first of all, the Wharton lab uark.edu. I'm going to use a new window to do that. Okay, this will take you to a sign-in interface. If you cannot do it, if your browser has a cookie, you could clear the cookie, or you could, like me, I start a new incognito window that will hide all the cookies that you already have and would allow you to sign in. So whichever way, this one is an incognito window. Otherwise, it always goes to my UML account. So I have an account which I got from the roster that I sent you, and then here is the password. Now pay attention, the initial password should be changed after you first use your account. So I'm going to sign in. Now when you sign in, it would ask you for more information, which would ask you to basically register for authentication, which is the MFA multi-factor. So you would start by downloading the app Authenticator, which you should already have because UML also use the same app. So if you don't have it, you can download it from Microsoft or your Android or Apple store. Click next, and it will say set up your account. Next, there is a QR code. So open your Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm going to open mine. Okay. So in your Authenticator, you would, on the lower right hand side, I don't know how to show you this, but on the lower right hand side of your screen, I'm using an iPhone. It has a small icon look like a QR code. You click that, and then it will show up a window for you to just scan that QR code, which I'm doing right now. And at the end, you will see there is a list of the authentication that you have, and it adds my current account, the 7659 at uark.edu to my authenticator. Once I do that, I would click next, which I already did. Which you cannot see. So it gives you a number. So I put in that number, and then I said yes, it's me. And now you have the authentication. Okay, it will scan your face, or it will use authentication that you set up for. And then next. So now you have completed this authentication process. Now in the in your week 3 module, underneath the lab 3, there is how to manage the MFA. If you don't know how to do the authentication, you can view this file. But I think that I believe the video which I'm recording now would be sufficient. But if you need, there is the file there. Okay, so done. All right, now you are going to it would ask you whether you want to stay in. I would say yes, right? For now, I would say no because it's not really my account, so I wouldn't stay in. Now it will ask you to sign in again, so you are going to use the same account again, same credential, log in. Okay, so here is the login. And then I'm going to click the Enterprise Systems. And here you are. So you are logged in for now. You grant permission for the full screen, and then it would let you log in the remote server. All right, so this is just how you would do the remote server for this week's assignment. And then this is just a normal Windows. Okay, so you should be able, once it logged in, you would see the PC sort of interface, the Windows interface that you could use. All right, so this is how you would log in. So, okay, you see here. So, right, you would do an Excel. You do an Excel from here, right? The first time you start an Excel, it would initialize, close. So I'm going to start a new book, and then you're going to follow the video to do whatever it asks you to do. One thing, in one of the assignments, it would ask you to add an add-in, right? You just have to follow that in the file, and then options, and then add-ins, and you would use Excel add-ins and go, and the analysis 2-pack solver add-in and OK. So now you will see the solver. So if you click data, you will see now you have a data analysis and the solver, which we just add to your computer. So this is something you might ask to do in one of your assignments. All right, so that's the introduction. If you have any questions, please let me know.